This video I will explain how to create a Paytm account. First we will see what is Paytm. Paytm is a mobile payment app that helps you to send money, receive money, pay bills, recharge mobile and shop online using your phone. It works using UPI and also offers a Paytm wallet. UPI is nothing but Unified Payments Interface. Now we will see the real life example. Imagine you go to the small shop. Instead of paying cash, you open Paytm, scan a QR code, enter the amount and pay. The money goes directly from your bank account or wallet to the shop owner. Now we will see one more real life example. You want to send 500 rupees to your friend. Open Paytm, enter friend's number, enter the amount, then enter the UPI pin. Money is sent instantly. What you need before creating a Paytm account. Before starting, make sure you have a smartphone, an active mobile number, a bank account and internet connection. And you have to make sure the active mobile number is linked to the bank account. Now we will see how to create a Paytm account. Step 1. Install the Paytm app. Go to your phone's app store, search for Paytm, download and install the app. Step 2. Open the app. Tap the Paytm app. It will ask for your mobile number. Step 3. Enter your mobile number. Type your mobile number and make sure this number is active. Step 4. Verify with OTP. You will receive an OTP. OTP is nothing but one-time password. Enter the OTP in the app. Important concept is OTP. An OTP is a temporary password which is sent to your phone to confirm your identity. Step 5. Set up your profile. Enter your name and optional details like email. Now your Paytm account is created. Step 6. Add money or link bank account. You can now choose how to use Paytm. Option 1. Paytm wallet. Add money from your bank. Use wallet balance to pay. Option 2. Link bank account using UPI. Connect your bank account. Set a UPI pin. Important concept is UPI pin. UPI pin is a secret number used to approve payments. Step 7. Start using Paytm. Now you can send money to friends, receive money, pay electricity, water and mobile bills, recharge mobile, scan QR code in shops. Here I have opened Google Play Store. Click on search. Search for Paytm. Here you can see the Paytm. I already installed Paytm and Paytm will look like this. Now we will see important tips. Never share your OTP. Never share your UPI pin. Always check payment details before sending and use only the official Paytm app.